Oh my God.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Oh wow.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 51 has been issued from 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. The current time is 4:46 a.m.
First one for 2024. Dang, that woke me up. Well, here we go. SVA.